Hey guys, I'd love to invite you to an upcoming talk on reputation management to grow your business. I know, reputation management. That sounds so boring. Who would want to go to that? I wouldn't. But here's the thing. Reputation management has something very exciting in it. It's called review acquisition. That is, how do you get maximum number of 5-star reviews? And why should you care about that anyway? Well, because when you have the most reviews in your marketplace, you increase the likelihood of getting the clicks, calls, and clients. It's just the way humans are wired up. Think about the way that you choose which restaurant to go to or which Airbnb to stay at, right? You gravitate towards the highest rated, most reviewed option that's available to you. And your potential clients are doing exactly the same thing when they're thinking about hiring you or a competitor, right? They're weighing you up based on your online reputation. So online reviews are a very lucrative marketing strategy these days. It's also one of the easiest, cheapest marketing strategies to execute. So we'll be talking about that. Most importantly, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the magic script that we've used to acquire over 85,000 Google reviews. And here's just a little tip. It has nothing to do with asking for reviews. Asking for reviews is a loaded question, and it's one of the worst ways to get a 5-star review. So we'll share with you the script that we've developed that allows you to get a maximum number of reviews from your clients. We'll also be sharing with you some success stories that you can copy, such as odds-on home inspection services. This is a business that 6 years ago had 1 Google review and about 6 months worth of cash left before they went out of business. Chris, the owner of this business, has since turned everything around on the back of his online reputation. He's gone from being one guy with 6 months worth of cash left to having a full-time team of 7 who have more work than they know what to do with because they are the obvious choice in their marketplace due to their online reputation. So I look forward to seeing you at this upcoming 4N lunch. It's on Monday, the 11th of December at 12 o'clock. And again, for those of you that will be showing up, I'll share with you our magic script that's been responsible for getting over 85,000 Google reviews. See you there. Looking forward to it.